Cat Reman helps our customers get up and running as soon as possible to keep that cost per hour low.
Cat Reman parts can really help customers by providing a quick solution. You don't have to repair that component when you can drop in a Reman product. Particularly in the cases of a complete Reman engine, it's a drop and go.
With the Cat Reman, get a quicker turnaround time where we would have to rebuild it. We would remove it, take it apart, disassemble it, inspect it, order the parts, assemble it, put it back together and put it on the machine. Where you can just see it's just a lot quicker just to have the Reman and remove, install, and he's up and running. He's not losing money for the cost that it is taking to do the repair. Less downtime. It's a win-win.
The repair options that they offer is critical in our line of work to get the equipment back up and going and functioning, to get back in production, to get the jobs done in time.
We have found in the years past that cutting corners kills us in the long run. As far as downtime, as far as quality, as far as warranty.
The secret sauce is quality, 100%. Cat Reman has quality like new.
People love the robustness of the machines, how they're overbuilt. They appreciate the fact that they can get more life out of those machines than a competitor because of the steel and iron and thought that's put into the design of those machines. People are proud to run Cat.
We implement Cat Reman parts on every one of our Cat machines. I don't consider them Reman parts. I mean, they're just as good as OEM parts at a more affordable price.